This is how to make your rice and beans jollof using your leftover stew. Start by adding your washed beans to a clean pot, add some water and allow to boil for 15 minutes. In another pot, add some clean water, allow to boil. This will be used to parboil the rice. Once the beans has boiled for 15 minutes, turn off the heat, sieve out the water and rinse out the beans thoroughly. Pour it back into the pot, add some water. The water should be slightly below the level of the beans to avoid overcooking it. Add some salt, cover the pot and allow to cook. Once the water for the rice starts boiling, pour in the rice and allow to boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat and wash the rice thoroughly. Now it's time to combine everything. Add some water in the leftover stew, add the cooked beans, add the parboiled rice, add some salt, some seasoning cubes, some crayfish, some onions, some peppers and mix thoroughly. Here I added extra pepper because I wanted it spicy. Now cover the pot and allow the water to dry up. Once the water dried up, I added some carrots because we had some leftover at home. If you don't have any additional vegetables, once the water dries up, mix thoroughly and turn off the heat. Your rice and beans jollof is ready to be served. Which other recipes do you want to see on this channel? Bye!